Anti-open grazing law. We as a government go join body to collabo with stakeholders, citizens to stop the insecurity. Obaseki na im talk this one. Edo State Governor Godwin Obaseki on Monday do town hall meeting for stakeholders to yarn about the need to get anti-open grazing law for Edo State to take help security matter plus herders farmers crisis for we state. Governor Yan say the reason why we never sign this law na to make sure say we fit get better law wey go stop insecurity plus economic challenges for we state. Na im make we join the few states wey never sign the anti-open grazing law sake of say e no go make sense to put law wey we no go fit do.
We are one of the few states that have not signed the open grazing law. And the reason is simple. To sign a law is very easy, but it doesn't make sense to put out a law that you cannot enforce. The best way of enforcing a law is to bring everybody who is affected together to be part of forming that law.
Obaseki con still say make we no do wuru-wuru inside this matter, sake of say security matter na im be this one. Plus some people don dey use herdsmen do bad things.
The anti-open grazing law, in my view, is not to deal with some perceptions. We have a crisis in our country. It is deeply rooted. There are different causes why this is happening. Let us not look for the easy way out. Let us go to the depth, the bottom of the issues and resolve it from the bottom.
Reverend Oriahi Davis, wey con stand for Christian Association of Nigeria, Edo State Chapter, con shook mouth on top the matter, say to train cow na private business, so anybody wey wan do am suppose get im own land, no be to dey carry their cow up and down.
That we need the law to put in place for the anti-open grazing. That is one. If possible, ranching should be done. Not talking about ranching. Cattle business, like you said, is a private business. Whomever is going into cattle business, go and get your land and do your business and carry on with your business.
Chairman Cattle Dealers Association for Edo State, Alhaji Saidi Ahmed, come beg Governor Obaseki say make him treat everybody as one. Sake of say im people don dey stay Edo State without katakata. Plus say 45% of the cow wey people for Edo State dey shop na from north.
So our cows, almost 45%, they are coming direct from the north. They are not feeding here. Maybe like 25,000 is the one we are feeding here. So I put to the state government, but we are very happy. We know the governor, both the farmers and the dealers and the cattle rearers, he take their equal. The governor is for everybody, not for one tribe or for one religion.
Other ogbonge people wey dey this meeting na Edo State Head of Service Anthony Okumbowa Esquire, Secretary to the State Governor Osarodion Ogie Esquire, Edo State Deputy Governor Right Honorable Comrade Philip Shaibu, plus the Speaker Edo State House of Assembly Right Honorable Marcus Onombu. Dis na the ogbonge informate wey TMC News carry come give una. From Benin, Osarugwe, Monday.